In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pause your Shopify subscription. Whether you want to take a short break from your online business or temporarily step away from selling, Shopify gives you the option to pause your store instead of completely closing it. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify official website. Once you're there, click on the login button and sign in using the email and password connected to your Shopify store. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your store, including products, orders, themes, and subscription settings. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Plan. This section contains all information related to your Shopify subscription and billing details. Once you're inside the Plan section, you'll see options related to your current Shopify plan. Depending on your account status, Shopify may show options like Pause Store, Deactivate Store, or Cancel Trial. Click on the option related to pausing your store. Shopify may provide information explaining what happens when your subscription is paused, including changes to billing, checkout functionality, and storefront visibility. Carefully review the details before continuing. When your store is paused, customers typically won't be able to complete purchases, but you may still have limited access to your Shopify admin, so you can work on your store behind the scenes. After reviewing everything, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the pause request. Shopify may ask for your password again as a security confirmation before finalizing the action. Once completed, your Shopify subscription will be paused successfully. Pausing your store is a great option if you're redesigning your website, managing inventory changes, or taking a temporary business break without permanently shutting everything down. And that's it. You now know how to pause your Shopify subscription. Thanks for watching.